Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode. Don't be a parking lot queen. Look at that, man. I mean, no sense of awareness whatsoever. Headphones, cell phone, just same parking lot. Red car. Almost hits a pedestrian. Cuts me off. Not very nice. If someone gives you the right of way, take it. It's fine. See, in this case, this truck's turning left. He's gonna let me go, waves me through. I have a stop sign. He has the right of way. I go. It's all good. Please don't go. In this case, you're going to stop, yield, and wait. Do not drive on the other side of the road unless it's safe. It is a single yellow line, thus technically it's okay. However, I'm just going to wait. Be patient, wait it out. In this case, I am not going to be patient because this took forever. So I am going to proceed to a 3-point turn in this particular situation. I'm going to speed these guys up a little bit. So where a 3-point turn may be applicable, perfect situation. And you have some cars there, but as long as you can maneuver around, you're good. That van coming up there, no stopping. It is a 4-way. Absolutely nothing. Another one coming up on the left-hand side, just breezing through. Intimidating situation. Yeah, sometimes that's how people stop, so you got to be ready. Or like that, they don't stop at all and yield to you. It happens. My right of way in this case, if you're turning right on the red light, that's just not how you do it. White BMWs, man, there's just something about them, I tell you. Be careful when you're turning left. Look how close that was. Good Lord. U-turn coming up. Metrotown special. No turning left here. Okay. Wrong side of the road, Captain. Check out this Amazon truck. Door open, cuts me off. Whew. Gutsy moves. Cyclists. My right of way, 4-way. Nah. They got places to go. It's a nice day, I get it. Ooh. Yeah, that's why you shoulder check. For these idiots. Then he proceeds to go through a red light in the intersection and cuts through the left. Classic Vancouver cyclist move. Now there's a cyclist in front of that car. Almost the same situation, going through on the red light. And then this dude, maybe they know each other. That's why they have similar habits. This fella right here is about to cut someone off on the left turn. I mean, maybe not cut someone off, but that was a close call. That's not a safe gap, so don't drive like that. That blinker fluid must be low on this car. Turning right, I presume. Barely in the right turning lane. Very poor habits. No looky here. I mean, you should have seen me. That's my right of way. When you're pulling out of an alley, you need to stop to the cross traffic. No turn signal again. Get your fluids checked. Uber driver backing out, not looking, not yielding to me. That's why you gotta do 360s before you pull out of a parking spot. No stopping at no four-way here. Cutting through with that delivery. Fancy moves. 30 zone. And we got the Popo. And I've spoke about this particular 30-kilometer zone here previously, as it's fairly new. Now the park zone's been there for 30 years or so, or maybe less, but a long time. And now we have a park zone. And the cops have been out there frequently. Here they are again. So be careful. Again, I'm not sure why they made this a 30-kilometer zone, and also does not have a double yellow line, which there should be one. I'm turning left, green light. I've entered on the green light, rather. I'm going to exit, hopefully, but no, the bus driver decides to essentially cut me off. So I have to yield. I'm getting honked at here. It's a very... See? Look at that. That dude just... He should have actually yielded to me because the intersection was not clear for him, but it is what it is. But that was a shit show. This is what should have happened. I stop, I let the other car clear the intersection, and then I can turn right on the red light whenever the I want. Now look at this idiot coming up here on the left-hand side is going to overtake me for no apparent reason. Okay. I mean, if he was turning left, maybe that made some sense, but no. So moving forward a little bit. It is a red light. But this individual, however, does not respect the rule of law. We got a train here, so, you know, just of course gonna wait for the train. Not everyone is patient though. Some people just need to get the hell out of there as soon as possible. Check it out. This is how you do a pro left turn. You enter into the intersection. Can you follow another car in front of you? Sure, as long as you think you know you're going to make it on the green light. Technically, yes. So you are taking a chance here. This is a risky situation on your road test. However, if you know what you're doing and you got a little bit of luck on your side, it's manageable. So there you go. I got lucky. It's a clear intersection. I'm clearing on the yellow light. It's fine. Now we got a U-turn coming up here. Pretty standard lower mainland move. And then someone's about to run a red light here. One of these cars is not supposed to be going. That could have been a bad call. And there was an accident in that particular intersection literally the next day. Pretty bad one. Someone's blocking the intersection. Sometimes you just have to wait. There was a car behind me. I could have made a U-turn. And I actually got stuck here for like 5 minutes. I honked at this truck driver multiple times and he just did not move. So there was a line of them waiting. Kind of a shitty situation, but it is what it is. So again, be patient. See you in the next one. Arrivederci.